Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tidio for e-commerce chat and lead capture. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Tidio for e-commerce chat and lead capture, start by visiting the Tidio website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. After that, select Create Account to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Tidio dashboard. Next, choose the integration option from the menu on the left side. Scroll down to find the e-commerce platform you are using. Click on the relevant platform icon to start the integration process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect Tidio to your online store. This typically involves copying an API key or installing a plugin. If you're using Shopify, for example, you will need to install the Tidio app from the Shopify. Once installed, return to your Tidio dashboard. Customize your chat widget by clicking on Chatbots in the sidebar. Here, you can choose a template or create a new one from scratch. Set up welcome messages and automated responses for common questions. You can do this by navigating to the lead capture section in the menu. Create a form that collects customer information, such as email and phone number. Decide when the form should appear, for example, after a set time or when someone exits the page. After customizing all settings, click Save to apply your changes. To see Tidio in action, open your online store in a new browser tab. You should now see the chat widget appear on your site. Test the chat function by sending a message to ensure it's working. Once you confirm everything is set up correctly, you're ready to engage with customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.